Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record sounds during screen recording on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. In order to record sounds during screen recording, first we'll need to open screen recording, so slide down from the top of your screen, then slide down again to see all of the available controls. Now you should find this button right here. If you don't have it, click on the pencil button below and now you can find it. I'll remove it so I can add it. So when I click on minus, now I should be able to click on plus in screen record right here. Now I'm gonna go back. I can now use this button. Let's click on it and now select whether you want to record one app or the entire screen. I will record the entire screen and then you can select whether you want to record audio or not. Remember that you can also switch it to device audio, microphone or both. Device audio is the audio played from your device and microphone is basically what you say, right? So you can use either of them or combine them. I think I will use both device audio and the microphone. And now we can start recording screen. Now we'll start counting down from 3 and now it has started recording. So I can do whatever of course I want. Then if I want I can simply finish by clicking here, then stop recording and now go to the Photos app and you'll see the result shortly. Okay, so let's go maybe to on this device, movies, and now it started recording, so I can do whatever of course I want. Yeah, as you can see it has recorded the sound. Now if that pop-up doesn't show up, then just press and hold instead and it'll show up, but I think it should show up normally. And if you select to record one app, you can also select that. I'll also select device audio and microphone, then next, and then I will select the app that I will be using. Let's do like settings. Now it's counting down from 3 of course, and now it is recording the settings app. And now if I finish it right here, then it will be recorded. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.